In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close multiple tabs at once in Google Chrome. If your browser looks like a filing cabinet with way too many tabs, this walkthrough will help you clean up quickly and get back to what matters. We'll use simple built-in options in Chrome, no extensions required, and I'll point out a few small cues so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, if you want to keep the first few tabs you're working with and remove everything that came after, choose one tab as your cutoff point. Right-click that tab to open the menu, then select Close Tabs to the right. Chrome immediately closes all tabs to the right of the one you clicked, so take a second to confirm you've picked the correct anchor tab before you commit. This is perfect when you've drifted into a research rabbit hole and want to chop off the extras in one move. Next, when you're focused on a single page and want a clean slate around it, right-click the tab you're currently using and choose Close Other Tabs. This leaves your active tab open and clears the rest. Think of it as a quick reset for your workspace without losing what you're actually doing right now. If you'd rather pick and choose specific tabs to close, you can select multiple non-adjacent tabs. On Windows or Linux, hold the Control key. On a Mac, hold the Command key. While holding the key, click each tab you want to remove. Selected tabs appear highlighted, so you can double-check your choices. When you're ready, right-click any one of the selected tabs and click Close. All highlighted tabs close together, saving you from clicking the little X over and over. For a whole block of consecutive tabs, start by clicking the first tab in the range, then hold Shift and click the last tab in that range. Everything in between becomes selected. Right-click the highlighted group and choose Close, and they'll disappear in one sweep. This method is great when your extra tabs are clustered side by side. A couple of quick reminders as you tidy up. The changes happen instantly, so make sure you've saved any work inside web apps before you close those tabs. And notice the visual feedback. Highlights and active tab indicators, so you always know what will stay and what will go. That's it. With these options, your workspace will be cleaned and ready to go in seconds. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, more focused Chrome.